Hey explorers, do you want to learn how to turn your travel routes into stunning map animations? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a similar video that you just watched before listening to me right now. So let me show you how to do that in few minutes using this particular website that is free to use except you want to go for their premium version. And then it is the easiest way you can actually visualize your journey and share it beautifully. So whether you are a traveler, a hiker, a road tripper, or even a cyclist, this particular platform I'm about to share with you will help you bring your adventures to life with sleek animated maps that shows exactly where you have been. And the amazing part is that no video editing is needed, just your journey and a few clicks. So if you're ready, let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is to go to this particular website, which is called malt.dev. Okay, so when you get here, you're going to create a free account. All right. So when you create a free account, you're going to head over to where you have create map animation, and then it's going to bring you somewhere here. So the next thing you want to do is to quickly edit the map, put in your location. So you come scroll down where you have your trips in any world. So remember, you have to create a free account. All right, I've already done that. That's why I'm being able to show you how to do this. So create your free account and it brings you back here. So you are able to change your location, change the various locations that you want. I could just go ahead and delete the ones that I have here already. Okay, let's delete this. And if you want to add photos, this means you have to upgrade your plan. So I don't know want to go through that because I'm not ready to get their premium plan. So I'm just going to put in my trip. So I'll save from, let's say from Dubai, starting from Dubai to France to Japan to India to where else again would I want to put there? Okay, to Morocco and Nigeria. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to send this. So it's going to generate my trip. You see now. So it's going to generate it out, and I'm going to say add 5 places. So you see it here. So you have to make sure that since you're using the free plan, you have to make sure that you do not exceed the number of places you can put per time. All right. So I think it's about 10. It shouldn't be more than 10 places. So I'm doing for this is about 5 of it. So when I'm done, I'm just going to come here to options and then I decide how I want it to be. How do I want the background color to be? Do I want it to be black? You can see here. Do I want it to be black? Do I want to change it to, let's say, red? So I'm just going to copy this first. Copy this and I'm going to change background now. Let's see what we have. Okay, so you can see now that we have a red background. The video you actually watched before I started this explanation was showing us the normal blue, that's the dark blue color. So, but now I've been able to change it to red. So in case you want something similar, you can do that using this free option. So when you're done, I'm just going to head over and select the size. How do I want it to be? You can see now, this is for this size and this is for this. This is for smartphone view. You can see. So you decide how you want it to be. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use this, and then all I need to do is to just click out and then wait for it to render it to show it to me for the first 45 seconds. And you can see now it's rendering. So you can see how it looks, right? So this is how to generate something of this nature. So remember, you can always change the settings, that is the style. If I want it to be for Android or I want it to be for a square size, I'm going to decide how I want it. So let's try for Android, that is for phone view, and I'm going to click here and then wait for it to also render. Probably I could just change the color. Okay, I think the color is not even going to be needed since I'm going to be using this particular phone size. So just wait for it to finish rendering and then you can now Okay, it's showing the background actually. So let's see what we can do. I would love it to have a lighter, a darker background. That red is too sharp. So let's put this back. Okay, and I'm going to close this. So you just wait for it to finish rendering as well. Then you can go ahead and export it and use it wherever you want to use it. So you can use it alongside with your content you're creating on social media or any platform at all. Okay, so you can see. So I think I actually love this color more. So when I'm done, all I need to do is to export, like I said. So you see the free plan. I'm going to, you see, I've used one of my plans. So I've used 1 out of 10. So you will be charged one video. So let me say download. So it's rendering again, and by the time it's done, it will automatically download my video for me. So you can see it's downloading right now. So that's how to generate something of this nature that you can use for any social media platform. You can use it to start your videos. You can use it as a cyclist. You can use it for content at all. Any content that has to do with your journey, your traveling, and all that, you can use it. So that's how to use this particular platform. So if you found this particular video valuable, please make sure to share, like this video, and also click on notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. See you in my next video. Bye for now.